Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. Fabulous Friday. Let's just hope it's not freaky hot today. Next week looks better than this week. They're talking 90s instead of 110, 11, 12 degrees in the afternoon. Yeah. Yesterday's dinner, which was a nice, cool, and cold-ish dinner, was caprese pasta with basil. I had dinner prepped and finished and in the cold box by 10:30 in the morning. That gave me plenty of time to kind of goof off and work on the cookbook, and I even got in a short nap before Robin got home. Yeah, because as you know, I have not been sleeping well. Today, I'm actually doing some real cooking. Yeah, real ingredients and everything. Just wow. I'm doing a chicken tikka masala over long grain white rice. Let's get to it. Got some hardware, basic hardware, Dutch oven, and the casserole dish for the rice. Got chicken thighs, some garlic, serrano peppers, some lemon juice, my new favorite little toy in the kitchen, the ginger paste, some butter, of course, some kosher salt and black pepper. I'm using sour cream instead of plain yogurt because they don't sell plain yogurt in a smaller container than like 4 cups. Yeah. I'm also going to be using the Indonesian cinnamon from the local spicery here in Marysville, California. Heavy whipping cream, cumin, coriander, a little tin of tomato sauce, some Indian chili powder, an Indian paprika, and cilantro, which will be chopped. And the rice is right there. So, I'm going to say it again. Stay cool, stay hydrated, and just be safe out there. Now, on this Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.